hope you all stay in the house, wash your hands for ABCs or happy birthday. Twice. Either one twice. I just want to say, make sure that you don't leave the house. You can go in your driveway, walks, drives. Don't really go anywhere else. I hope you all stay safe in your house. Thank you all for watching this video. I really don't know what else I want to say, but I have to say a couple more things. Don't really go out with friends. You can do bike rides and stuff, but don't. Make sure you stay 10 feet away either way. Even if it's your family, you can stay close together. But if it's your friends, you have to stay this part away from each other. Right? Right, Mom? Okay. So, I'm in my rocking chair. What? Please don't leave the house. It's bad for your lungs, everything. Don't breathe in lots of air. And that's all I want to say. Bye.